Shukor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Assistant Public Prosecutor Tushar Chandra Thung daga Sorkar jila banpet hakwede bat ka case jong ka Sonam Raghuvanshi hani ka sngi ka khanyo tarik nai lur hajar arpusan ulethu baka Sorkar kala Thung do Special Public Prosecutor Iasaid Pyrshah ya ka Sonam Raghuvanshi kabal kno don kti ban penyap di uraja Raghuvanshi ukurim jongka hakapor bawan kai honeymoon hasora Tushar Chandra ulethu Thung ukeshi gotam ban khle Iasaid hayem bishar yaga case jong ka Sonam habakali banya babale lapan kala ya unong khle Iasaid Chandra ula kentat banyathu bat ula ong ban kali na special PP
The Sonam case today.
You see, today new special PP is appointed in Sonam case, Mr. K.C. Gautam. So
Okay.
he will look after notes.
We have seen the charge sheet is very soft. So what really happened that the charge sheet is so soft?
Sorry, I cannot comment. I cannot give any comment. Since special PP is appointed, you can talk with the special PP.
So who is the special PP?
Mr. K.C. Gautam.
So he will be now looking after the case.
Case, yes.
So why there is a change?
That I don't know. Sorry, no comment.
So what happened transpired today in the court?
I don't know because since special PP is appointed in this case, so anything you can ask from the special PP.
So today
In
who
this
heard the matter on behalf of prosecution?
That special PP only, who is appointed by the government, he will look after the case now onwards.
The special prosecutor.
Yes, the
And
special prosecutor in this Shora case only.
So will there be a special court for this or with the normal
That
court?
I don't know. That I cannot give any comment right now. You can contact with the special PP who is appointed by the government.